Hello, subject to the presentation today is the USB memory drive. These little flash sticks have been on the market since about 2000. They're almost the perfect technology. They're compatible with Macs, PCs, other devices. They're simple to use, inexpensive. What isn't there to like about them? I like to think of them in the data storage world as being the garden shed. Great for temporary storage, maybe for bits that are less important but you need somewhere to put them temporarily, but definitely not somewhere where you want to hold important documents. So think of it, if you need a bit of extra space at home, a shed is a great solution. When you're clearing out the garage and you need somewhere to store just temporarily your expensive road bike, you might pop it in the shed for a few hours. You wouldn't leave it there overnight. Likewise, if you've got an important balance sheet in your account and you need to just work on it downstairs, you might pop it on a stick, but you wouldn't leave it there in case it gets lost. In one sense, because they're so small, so compact, they're also so easy to lose or damage. A shed isn't the most secure of environments, and likewise, memory stick, you could break it, stamp on it. We've seen all sorts happen to them. So really, a better solution if you're going to keep things elsewhere would be to use a cloud provider. So that's something like Dropbox, OneDrive, SharePoint even, and they're a bit like the self-store centers that have sprung up everywhere in the last few years. They're a secure environment, they're dry, they're climate controlled, and most importantly, they're secure. So your area is compact, no one else is going to get at them. So the USB drive is great for very short-term data storage, maybe if you're transferring between an old PC and a new PC, or taking a copy of some photos to show a relative, but don't rely on them for long-term archival data backup. So I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe in the link below, and we'll see you next time. Many thanks.